Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Today we'll look at a situation that every driver can encounter on the highway. You're driving on a highway. There's a winter road ahead and a road sign indicating rest area in 500 meters. A logical question arises. Where are you allowed to stop in this situation? Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Where are you allowed to stop when driving on highway? A. Only after 500 minutes. B. Anywhere to the right of the line, indicating the edge of the roadway. C. Anywhere at the edge of the roadway. They'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. In order to correctly solve this problem, you need to know the exact designation of the sign in front of you. And also, it is important to keep in mind that on the highway, stopping is allowed only in specially designated places. The picture shows exactly such a sign, rest area in 500 meters. Therefore, stopping is allowed only there. It should be noted that on a motorway, stopping on the side of the road is prohibited, except for a forced stop, for example, a breakdown. Thus, stopping on the side of the road or at the edge of the roadway is prohibited, except for forced cases. Therefore, option A is the most correct in the context of traffic rules. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.